Hi angels, today's video is going to be a nail Addict review and collab as well as an unboxing. I have a Coach unboxing. It's just a small item, but if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, hit the like button as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload videos because you don't want to miss out, and it's so much fun. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about is the lovely nail Addict items. The different nail polish colors from LA Nail Addict. This, when I opened up the package, I was so happy to see all the little streamers. It makes me so happy when I open up a package and I get all of the little confetti and the little streamers. When I spoke with them and they contacted me to do this collab, I was very interested and I told them that I wanted all very vibrant colors because I don't know, I just love the vibrant, beautiful colors. So these are all the colors that I chose right here. Beautiful hues and beautiful bright colors. I think these will look so cute on my feet when I do a pedicure, especially in the summer and in the fall. These look so cute on your nails and on your feet, your little toes when you do your pedicure. So the first color that I have right here, electric yellow. So this is the beautiful electric yellow. This is one of my go-to colors, you guys. I absolutely love wearing my pedicure with this color. So that's the electric yellow. Beautiful purple is called Friday Night. So this was one of the colors. This is electric orange color by LA Nail Addict. This color will look so pretty. This is a beautiful beach color, a beautiful summer color. So pretty, the electric orange. The next color that I chose to go with, oh, this is just a beautiful shade of red. This is electric red. Red is my color. That's my go-to color. You all know on this channel, lvluxegirl, I love some red. So this is the lovely electric red. Next, we have two more colors. The pink. The pink is just going to be so beautiful. This is electric pink. Such a beautiful color. And when I think of electric pink, you girls know I always think of Nicki Minaj. She represents, in my opinion, a beautiful electric pink color, as well as Barbie. You're a Barbie girl if you want to rock that electric pink. So this is the beautiful electric pink color. Next we have green, the electric green. So pretty. Such a neon color, all of them. So I absolutely love these colors, and I want to thank LA Nail Addict for this beautiful nail collab here on my channel. You know the gel colors have to be cured so that you can go ahead and wear them and come off on anything. Next thing that I wanted to do, let's get into this unboxing. So I have a Coach unboxing right here. I don't know why, for the love of me, they love to send such a tiny item in such a large box. So it's just a small item, but they did go ahead and put it in an extremely large box. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the smaller box. I have my receipts in there, and then this was the smaller box that they ended up sending the item in. And it is a Coach item. So let me go ahead and open her up so we can go ahead and enjoy this beauty. And on lvluxegirl channel, we're all about affordability. This item was on sale. And originally when the collection came out, I wanted something from the collection, but I don't like paying full price, you guys. So I have to go ahead and wait. So I ended up going ahead and waiting. And this is the lovely Coach. This was from the Coach Sephora collection with the beautiful eyeshadow and eyeshadow brushes and eyeshadow palette. This is the lovely unicorn eyeshadow palette. So let me go ahead and take it out the box. And the packaging on this is extremely cute. The packaging on this is extremely cute. So this is what it looks like. I didn't know the scale of this item. I have to admit, I didn't know the scale of this item. I didn't know that this was going to be quite as large as it is. I thought it was a little bit smaller of a palette. So let's go ahead and open her up. And it says Coach Sephora Collection Uniface Palette. And I love eyeshadow palettes on this channel. I absolutely love wearing my eyeshadow and collecting all the different eyeshadow palettes by the different brands. Marc Jacobs. Also, with Christmas time coming up pretty soon, all of the different makeup companies are putting out their Christmas line of eyeshadow palettes, and that's just when I go crazy. Last year I had to get the beautiful cherry makeup palette by Marc Jacobs, as well as YSL, Pat McGrath. Just so many of them have beautiful makeup products and eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Una palette right here. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. I'm not even sure of the colors that come in this. I will admit, I just ordered it because it's an eyeshadow palette and I love eyeshadow. And whatever colors are in here, I know I'm gonna, you know, have fun rocking them. I guess I should have looked online to see exactly what the colors were. But when the sale happened and I caught a sale, I know I use so much eyeshadow. I go through so much of it that I knew I'd be able to use it anyway. Okay, so here it is right here. And if I believe, I might be wrong, we'll find out in a minute. But I thought that this item also can be used as a bag charm. Yes, I was right. Oh my God, okay. So that part I was right about. This item can be used as a bag charm, and that is gonna be so cute. It's so big. It's so large. Oh my God. But it's gonna be so cute as a bag charm, you guys. So let me go ahead and move this out the way and take off that. They even had the little sticker on the tag so that the brass, you know, the tag won't get scratched. This is so adorably cute. This is gonna be so adorably cute. Do you guys see the scale on this thing? It's huge. So I'll be able to use this as a bag charm, probably on something large like a tote, you know, or on my overnight duffel bag, because it's a big, large bag charm. And then let's go ahead and take a look at these colors. And I believe you just slide it open like that. And there are 3 lovely colors here: rose, clay, and bronze. So these are very soft, neutral colors. Very beautiful. Rose, clay, and bronze. Can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with that. And you definitely couldn't go wrong with the price. I love this collab by Coach and Sephora. I love that there's a click. Listen for the click when it closes. I love that. Then you know it's closed and secure when you hear that click. And it has such a large bag charm. On the back, I don't want to blind you guys, but on the back it says Coach and Sephora. It's basically a mirror. I could see myself in here on the back of this. I don't want to blind you guys with it, but you could use it as a mirror because you could see yourself on the back of it. So thank you all for joining me for this lovely video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Remember to check down in the description box below for your percentage off with LA Nail Addict. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon in another video.